of the African wildlife and exotic animals such as giraffe and zebras. During our tour in this park, we will be riding in a highly protected jeepney so as to protect ourselves from those wild animals. And the capital city of Palawan is a Puerto Princesa city, which is known for its Puerto Princesa Subterranean National Park, formerly known as St. Paul Underground Park. We will fly to the rivers, which reveal to you the majestic cathedral and the stalagmites and stalactite structure. And also, here in Palawan, you will see the very famous El Nido. It is not only famous with its awe-inspiring seascape, but it is also famous with its dark limestone cliffs that it is inhabited with a swift. Do you know the swift? It is the bird who uses its saliva you see here in Palawan. And also, here in Palawan, you can find here the cradle of the Philippine civilization, the Tamon Cave, which, during the archaeological excavation, unearthed Tamon Cave, or the prehistoric man, was for almost 22 years. 22 years was found here. And so, do you still want to hear more? Sorry, we'll be going back to the Legend Hotel to prepare ourselves for the afternoon activities and for to take our early lunch. And for those who wanted to dive with me to Batangar Reef, please see me at the room 233 of the hotel. Again, I am Christina Tilar, wishing you all a good day and God bless. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the land of the most colorful fiestas in the Philippines, Quezon. By the way, I'm Stephanie Martin.